7 are lateral forelimb or antebrachial muscles, and these are collectively called extensors because what they're going to do when they contract is bring either the whole paw or the individual toes up to extend that. So dividing this up now into the individual muscles, use the radius, which is up here. I don't know if we can see it from this side or not, but the radius is up here and the ulna is down here. Remember, the radius is going to be heading towards the thumb, if you think about your own arm. And the ulna is what leads to your elbow, if you think about your own arm. So starting up with the radius, we've got two muscles here that look like one until you start to kind of move things around. Then you can see a division between the two. And these are our extensor carpi radialis muscles together. But we've got actually two here. The topmost one here with the blue pin is the extensor carpi radialis longus. And then right next to it, with the orange pin, is the extensor carpi radialis brevis. Longus meaning long, and brevis meaning short. Continuing to the lateral side here, we have another muscle here that is, you can kind of follow the tendon down to the toes here. So when this contracts, that's going to pull the toes up here. This is the extensor digitorum communis. So it's communis because you've got them all kind of bundled together and then it splits. And digitorum because we're talking about the digits. So extensor digitorum communis. And then the white pin is in the extensor digitorum lateralis. So this is going to be more lateral. It's going to work this side of the paw. And then our last muscle, you have to kind of push this one aside. This is actually in the flexor group. The last muscle down here is the extensor carpi ulnaris because it's laying next to the ulna. And that comes down to the side of the paw. So we'll go back up to the top. Extensor carpi radialis longus, extensor carpi radialis brevis, extensor digitorum communis, extensor digitorum lateralis, and then finally extensor carpi ulnaris.